Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing, and this time this is going to be an AIRTEL Wi-Fi hotspot. This is a portable hotspot which I had purchased from the AIRTEL store, and this costed me around 2000 rupees. This is how the box looks like, and I have been using this for almost 1 month now. This is the latest version of the hotspot that AIRTEL is providing. So this is from the brand Binatone. Along with the device, you also get a data SIM, in which you get 1.5 GB of data for the next 6 months, which is good. And everything costed me around 2000 rupees. So this is how the box looks like. On the back, you have a couple of specification, you have the manufacturer information, other details. Let's jump inside the box and see what all you get. So you have the seal on the top. Once you open that up, you have the guide, the usual manual that you get. If you're keen on reading it, you could certainly go through it, but this generally covers the entire aspects of the device, the options and other details. Let's keep that aside. And then you also get a micro USB cable. Along with that, you have the battery. This battery is rated at 2700 mAh and the recommended usage is around 6 hours, but I got it for close to 4 hours. But I generally tend to leave this device plugged in. So along with that, you have the device, and there's nothing else inside the box. So let's keep the box aside and let's see how the device looks like. The device is quite small and it's not that heavy as well, and it's all black. And on the top you have the AIRTEL Wi-Fi branding, and on the top you have a couple of LED lights, which is network, battery, message, as well as the Wi-Fi. Those lights turn on, and on the side you have the power button, and then you also have the WPS button. And on the other side you don't have any buttons, but you have the lanyard which you could use to carry or hang. And at the back you have the Binatone branding, and at the bottom you have the micro USB point, as well as the slot to open the back case. And at the back you have the reset button, which you could use to reset, and you have the Wi-Fi password. So when you turn on this device, this is how the Wi-Fi name would appear, and that's the Wi-Fi password. And you also have an SD card slot along with the full size SIM card. So let me put the battery in, let me turn on the device, and I'll show you how the LED turns on. You just need to hold the power button on for a couple of seconds and it turns on. And as soon as it turns on, the battery icon would be red, and then it will turn to green, and then the signal icon would be blinking red, which means it's searching for signal. And at the bottom you have the message icon, which is blue, and the Wi-Fi icon as well. So when the message icon blinks, it means that you have a new message, and now the mobile network signal has turned to green, which means that it has connected to a mobile network. Overall guys, I'm pretty satisfied with it. It's quite small, it's not large, and also I'm comparing this with the 10,000 mAh power bank. The size is pretty reasonable. If you see, it's half of the power bank size, and then the thickness is a little smaller than the 10,000 mAh power bank. This is just for a comparison so that you could get an idea of how it looks like. And now I would show you how to configure this router. What are the options that you get inside the router settings? One key note is that you cannot use this device without a battery. Like on a GeoFi, I heard that people can use it just by plugging in the device to a wall adapter. You can't do this here. So you always have to have a battery in. So once you get your Wi-Fi connected, you have to use the IP address to log into the router settings and use the password and the username as admin. I bought this as a backup so that I could use this whenever my internet goes down. And once you go log in, you have on the top the icon, the battery icon, the message icon, your signal strength and other details. And here you also have an option to control your data, and then you have your IMEI number and other details. Under the information, you have information about your IMEI and other details, as well as to which band this is connected to. And you have the phone book, and And then you have also the SD card option. If you had inserted the SD card, you would be able to get the details. And on the advanced settings, you have different configuration option. It would show you the IP address, your APN. If you want to change that, you could also do that. You could also change your network, whether it's manual or automatic. One key thing that I wanted to highlight is that this device does have an option to select a specific band for your network. So that is, Airtel supports band 1, band 3 and band 40 in my area, that's in Chennai. So I generally tend to use band 3 or band 40. Band 40 has a better download speed than the upload. Band 3 has a lower download and lower upload speed, but it comes to close to 6-7 Mbps. But band 40 always reaches close to 11 or 12 Mbps, and during the night I've also seen it hitting close to 50 Mbps. So that's something which is good. The only advantage here is that you have an option to change the band. I would also run some speed test. Right now the device is connected to band 40 and I'm inside my room, and the signal is quite okay. And this is around 7 PM on a Saturday, which I believe could be considered as a peak time as well during this lockdown. That too, it's a Saturday as well as it's 7 PM. The speed, if you see, it's close to 5 Mbps, and upload is like pathetic. It's just 52 kbps. 520 kbps, which is bad. I would run a couple of other speed tests and you should be able to see the results there. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with it as a backup. Yes, I'm okay with it. And also, if you're able to take this device and keep it near your window or something, you get a better speed. So that's something which is available. You have the flexibility there. If you ask my suggestion, comparing between JioFi and Airtel, that purely depends on which network provides you better speeds in your area. If Airtel gives it, please go ahead with Airtel. If not, go ahead with JioFi if JioFi provides better speeds. Now, if you like the content that I have just posted, do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any suggestions, do leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.